Hi friends, get ready to see for the history of woodcutting. So if you're a new viewer, please subscribe this channel for Get Others videos. Number 1. The origins of woodcutting. Woodcutting dates back thousands of years, with early humans relying on wood as a primary resource for shelter, tools, heat, and protection. Evidence of woodcutting can be found in ancient tools like stone axes, which allowed early humans to fell trees for firewood, make basic shelters, and craft tools. As human societies evolved, so did the methods of woodcutting. Early stone tools gave way to metal axes and saws, which made cutting trees faster and easier. In ancient Egypt, the importance of woodcutting grew as wood became essential for building and ship construction. Although Egypt lacked natural forests, its civilization depended on imported cedar and other valuable woods for temples and monumental structures. The Phoenicians, famous seafarers, established large-scale woodcutting and logging operations across the Mediterranean, harvesting valuable timbers for shipbuilding and trade. Around this time, many civilizations recognized the strategic and economic importance of wood, leading to early deforestation in various regions. Number 2. Medieval advancements in woodcutting. During the Middle Ages, woodcutting remained labor-intensive, with axes and hand saws being the primary tools. However, innovations such as the pit saw allowed for a slight increase in efficiency. The pit saw involved two workers cutting logs lengthwise by positioning the log over a pit, with one worker in the pit and the other above. This innovation allowed medieval craftsmen to produce rough-sawn lumber faster than previous methods, aiding the construction of homes, fortifications, and bridges. The need for wood soared in medieval Europe due to growing populations, increased construction, and fuel demand. Forests were extensively managed by feudal systems to provide firewood, construction materials, and timber for military purposes. Forest laws emerged, regulating the cutting of trees and leading to the establishment of forestry as a recognized profession. During this period, woodcutting was still manual and highly skilled work, with foresters overseeing woodlands to ensure sustainable use and long-term supplies. Number 3. The Industrial Revolution and Mechanization. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the 18th century, transformed woodcutting. New steam-powered machinery allowed for rapid cutting, processing, and transportation of wood on an unprecedented scale. The invention of steam-powered sawmills dramatically increased efficiency, enabling large-scale timber production. Sawmills allowed workers to cut logs into lumber with speed and precision that hand tools couldn't match, revolutionizing construction and enabling the expansion of industries that depended on wood. As railways expanded, the transportation of logs from remote forests to sawmills and urban centers became more practical. Lumber became a foundational material for railroads, mining, and construction, and demand skyrocketed. Innovations like circular saws, bandsaws, and steam-powered engines made it possible to process logs more quickly, and logging became one of the largest industries of the 19th century. However, this rapid expansion led to extensive deforestation, especially in North America and Europe. Number 4. The rise of chainsaws and modern machinery. In the early 20th century, the introduction of gasoline-powered chainsaws transformed woodcutting. These machines made it possible for a single operator to fell large trees with minimal assistance. Early chainsaws were large and cumbersome, often requiring two people to operate, but advancements in design quickly made them more portable and efficient. By the 1950s, lighter, single-person chainsaws became widespread, making woodcutting faster, safer, and more accessible. With the mechanization of forestry, additional machinery was developed to streamline the entire process. Feller bunchers, which could cut, hold, and stack trees, allowed loggers to handle multiple trees simultaneously. Skidders and forwarders helped move logs to transportation sites, reducing labor and time. Harvesters equipped with computerized controls became capable of cutting, delimbing, and bucking trees to precise measurements, further revolutionizing woodcutting. Number 5. Sustainable practices and modern innovations. By the late 20th century, environmental awareness brought a renewed focus on sustainable forestry. Concerns about deforestation and habitat loss led to regulations promoting selective logging, replanting, and other sustainable practices. Forestry management now aims to balance wood production with conservation, ensuring forests remain viable resources. In recent decades, technological advancements have continued to shape the industry. Modern woodcutting relies on a mix of powerful machinery, automation, and GPS systems to maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. Robotics and AI are now being incorporated into forestry equipment, allowing machines to assess tree health, optimize harvesting routes, and even fell trees autonomously. Number 6. The future of woodcutting. The future of woodcutting combines sustainability and advanced technology. Electric chainsaws, robotics, drones, and AI-driven forest monitoring systems are improving precision and efficiency. I hope you learned from this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video. Stay tuned.